There are a few special shapes on the flexi shape library. This one, for example, is common line cut rectangles. So to do this, it needs to know the material we're cutting beforehand because it needs to make some kerf allowance. So this has not changed from before. So press next. So we then enter the width of the rectangle we're going to cut. So we'll go 50mm and height 50mm, and the leading length we'll have 10mm on this one. Number of repeats 5, so we can see it's created a shape here. So what this is going to do is it's going to pierce here, it's going to travel up the leading line, then go right round the shape that way, then back this way, and then carry on up. So what it's doing is it's using a common line down the center, and perhaps more importantly, just one pierce. So it cuts all these rectangles with just a single pierce. So we'll just see it do that on the run screen. So round the side, back up the common line, around again. So if you're making lots of spaces and things, it's an ideal way to do that.